Hello, yeah, hello, babe. Hello, hola, babe. My cat's on the track. Oh, yeah. Hola, babe. My cat's on the track. I gotta ask you something, babe.
Hi guys, the name is Makatson. Do Rebasa Makatson, but remained in Zatson Chapara Malaysia. I'm an artist and I'm also a producer. Remember my Afro beats and any Afro fusion. And how producer, I produce my genres like Rwanda, hip hop, trap, R&B, Nema Afro fusion as well, Nema Afro beats. And I got Chirezi, Roba Harare. Basically, that's me. To the music industry, I've always been a person on federal music. Being in a family, because most of my moms are and being around it inspired me to any passion about music and my capabilities as an artist. So I think that's when I started actually developing my music side as a producer and as an artist. Yeah, definitely I do collaborations with other artists, but mostly I've worked among my artists. I'm going to say just trying to make it in the industry, and I've collaborated with the likes of Kenny Mandevu, Sita Guru from Chirezi. I've collaborated Nana Okoye Swedmo and a whole lot of other artists. And I mean, I hope that one day just going to collab with Dara Techno for Nigeria, that's when I can break it down into two, being an artist and as a producer. But on the producer side, what I usually do is I listen to music by other producers. I meditate on their beats, and then I try to find concepts that they implemented in my beats and then seminar I'm still upcoming on, so I try to learn, try to replicate and then I study that and also try to come up with my own style from that. As a producer, and I always try to tell a story in my beats and then on the artist side, beat, I listen to it, try to meditate a story beat and then don't come up with a concept and then don't coming up with my lines and out maybe they can relate to that music. I think generally do process and design for creating music. Well, like I said before, I'm mostly inspired by my moms and Nana Sekuru Wangu, Sevana Nongo Imbo, so those are the people I grew up around, my teachers in music. But basically, I'm inspired by anything musical. Do Nongo Tindiganzo, music, Parira, you know what, this is my world. Do Bandatanga to meditators, Todaro. So anything musical, any artist, I'm inspired. In terms of hidden meaning, with my music, I always try to keep my concepts plain and such that anyone can actually listen to my songs and because I try to relate my listeners but of course you'd have one or two tracks you might use my lines or other language for example, if you listen to my track Rebecca, whereby I used Igbo from Nigeria or Asia. Panish Gotarati, Rebecca Shiano Basima, Mumnakanzo, Obasima Chi, but it's just plain Igbo Foji. Anobasima means Munakanaka, a beautiful girl, Saga. It's just plain Kutratwana Kumze relate and music and one song that try to one this. Well, in any season, I always break myself into two. As a producer, ne artist. So as a producer, I always enjoy learning new things in terms of music production just pushing myself to the limits. My capabilities in the app in terms of my creativity. So I think for me as a producer, just being innovative, create a styles and as an artist, I think it's always a good thing kushanda nemamwe artists. You get to learn new things, nodzidzo mamwe styles mamwe artists, nekuonawo iwo capabilities ako in terms of my vocals and creativity dzako, even lyrical content. So as an artist I think ndo handonyanya kufarirawo ipapa pakushanda nemamwe artists. My least favorite part zvekare topwanya toita zvinhu two ways, artist na producer. Sa producer ka I mean it's always hard kushanda nemunhu wekuti ndiwe unofanira kumuudza zvese zvekuita. Handiti I understand kuti ma-artist ari kusimukira handiti, but hey zvaungomawana kuti you're recording someone but then wakutanga kutomunyorera futi ma-lyrics and urikutanga kumudirector kuti ngazvimbe so ngazvidai, and I mean hey ibasa rakawanda, but in the end zvinhu zvinongozofadza hazvo kana project yabuda and artist wacho anobva ipapo adzidza something. And then as an artist I think my least favorite kungozoburitsa song yongoti vanhu vanogona kungoti apa hapana zvamaita, but I always take that as a challenge. So next time ndoziva kuti you know what, ndofanira kuburitsa song kuti vanhu vafarire zvandida release. Yeah, definitely. I mean munhu wese, every artist kana kuti munhu wese mufield yake anodila neanxiety at some point. So I mean I always relate to mazama zvanofanana nema-exams kuchikoro. No matter how anxious you are or unprepared you are, zama kana rasvika you just have to get in, wonyora zvauinazvo izvozvo, just give it your best, woona kuti ma-results afanira amira sei. So that's what I usually do. I think the advice I could give them is shanda non-stop. What is it? Never try to work in the same rate kushanda nayo kana na Winky D kana kuti some other artists are established on, because they're trying to penetrate the industry. So shanda non-stop, content ngairambe ichibuda, and also work with other upcoming artists and it, or even other people vane chavari kuita chinocontributa kugrind rako remusic. Shanda nema-designers achiri kusimukira, shanda nevanhu vevideography vachiri kubudikira, maphotographers vachiri kusimukira. Just work with those people, munhu okwanisa kuboostana mosimudzirana. I think that's the best advice yandokwanisa kupa kuma-prospect artists. Pamashata apa. I just want to say shout out to my wife and my girlfriend. Why is it? Nah, I'm a funny. I just want to say shout out to my family. Wana moms wangu, wana mdara, wana sekuru, amana vanhu vanonisimbisa vanonipa manyawi maize. I just want to say shout out to team rangu, team Sawira waize, ana Sawira vangu, and everybody who's supporting my music, everybody who's supporting Zandru Peter as a producer and as an artist. Vese vari kuisa ma-likes nema-dislike, vari subscribe, vari ignore, vese thank you and shout out kwamuri makanyanya. Samora shout out waize, if you know you know. Pama handles ekuzondibatawo for following my music and downloading my content. I think pa SoundCloud nepa Audiomack. Pamnokwanisa download the music, it's MacHudson_ZW, and that's the same handle ku Twitter, ku Instagram, and then pa YouTube mnogona follow our channel yakanzi MacHudson Entertainment, and pamnokwanisa go subscribe, and then I always upload content ipapo. You can download it, more streamer, more like ngosimbisa chi osimbisa works maize. Yo, what's up people? This has been Artist Profile by Calvin Tech Media. Why is it? Marupusha Works. So shout out and thank you for tuning in.